Welcome to my TED Talk. I'm doing my TED Talk on leukemia. I chose leukemia because my cousin had leukemia a couple years ago at a very young age. He was only 16. I've always found it very interesting since then to do more detailed research on leukemia.
Leukemia. Here's some background information. Leukemia is a cancer of the blood or bone marrow. It is caused by a rapid increase of the white blood cells. The main cause of the rapid increase is a mutation of the DNA of the cell at birth or overexposure to radiation over time. The other reason the white blood cell count can increase so quickly is when the tumor suppressor gene kicks in to fight off the incoming tumor. All three of these reasons all lead to the overcrowding of the white blood cells in the bloodstream. How it affects the body and how is it inherited? Leukemia is one of the most common types of cancer among people today. There are two different types of leukemia, chronic and acute. Both have the same effect with different symptoms. People can be diagnosed with leukemia at any age. Types of leukemia, chronic and acute. Chronic leukemia is when the individual has no symptoms of the disease, no signs of cancer, and does not know they have cancer until a blood test is taken. An individual with acute leukemia has headaches, vomiting, easy bleeding, easy bruising, and unexpected weight loss. These are the most common types of symptoms. The individual is diagnosed with leukemia very quickly after being examined with these symptoms. The image on the top, the little girl with the full head of hair, she has leukemia but has chronic leukemia and does not know it. The person on the bottom with lots of bruises all over their body, they know they have leukemia because they have acute leukemia. Some treatment. Since cancer is such a serious illness, chemotherapy is the only treatment that can be used to fight off the disease. Chemotherapy, though, is usually used to kill the majority of the cancer cells. But as a side effect, the individual has extensive hair loss as well as lots of mouth sores. A major misconception. The biggest misconception among cancer patients is that they inherited the disease from their parents as a recessive gene at birth. This is actually not the case. The way people get leukemia is a mutation to their DNA at birth or over time, leading to a multiplied copy of the mutated disease, which is then spread throughout the body through the bloodstream.
Leukemia is a disease that kills thousands every single year. It really affected me because I could see on a first-hand basis how sick my cousin really was, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally, just by looking at him. If you ever have a close relative, family friend, or family member that has leukemia, it'd be a very good opportunity for you to do more detailed research on the disease and find out what they're really going through. This project really helped me understand that what my cousin actually went through inside to see how sick he actually was. Once again, leukemia is not inherited by your parents, so don't be scared that you have the disease. It is developed over time due to a mutation of your DNA.